Hiya, it's Richard Williams here from Williams Crawford. So something a little bit different today. Adrian's going to do the walk around in the showroom, look at the sales car. But actually I wanted to show you in the workshop a little bit of what's going on. And my motive is that we are looking for a new technician. So I just thought if I just showed you a little bit of the work we get up to, some of the staff that are here, and even if you haven't got specific Porsche experience, but you're good, careful, and enjoy performance cars, please get in contact. You never just know what you might get up to. So please come with me. So just starting from here, we do in-house MOTs. Sean MOT in 928, beautiful car, down from further up the country. Gent wanted some improvements, a little bit to do with the gear change, some brake upgrades. It's an absolute thing of beauty. Manual car, so very unusual, but just running through the MOT before it goes back to him. Here, 24 plate 718 Cayman. So just come into sales. So what we do, we inspect them fully, then we pre-prep them before they go on sale. So just a variety of stuff that you can see. We've got a 911 here. It's got a water issue. It's flagging up on the dash. They do actually suffer from little solenoid valves. So we'll be reading the system. It will give us a real indication of which way we're going. So as I said outside, even if you don't have Porsche experience, we have got 4, 5, 8 techs. They're all great. They're all willing to help and help you learn the product if you're interested. Just as an example here, we've got a 997 911 and the customer came in for new water pump. But what we found, some of the adjoining parts, to try and get them to seal, rather than having to replace, we've had them vapor blasted so that the seal cavities are nice and clean. Ends up, customer gets a good job, we've done a good service without having to throw hundreds, maybe even thousands of pounds towards new parts. We can refurbish because we're independent and not under Porsche rules. We've got opportunity to work with customers. If a customer wants all new, absolutely. But there are times we can really help out and save money and feel efficient. We've got the 2 jacks, tall Jack and tall Jack and Jack. Jack is doing a clutch flywheel on a boxer there in the corner. Jack's doing crossover pipes on a 911. Also behind us, just walking in the background, we've got John working on a Macan at the moment. Looks like it's got a air suspension issue. So we get up to some really nice stuff here. As you can see, the cars are beautiful. Also up towards the back of the building. Come on, let's go up there. I've got opportunity too. We've got Graham down in the far corner, building a 911 air-cooled engine for us. We've got another 928 with a timing belt issue. And we've actually, as you can see, got plenty of cars lined up, ready to be worked on. So a huge variety of stuff. So coming in from the workshop, what you can see is this is where the office. So behind us, we have the lovely Kate, who's about to turn around and say hello. We have laughable Leanne, who actually controls the bookings and etc. through the modern workshop. Mark, he is out in the workshop at the moment, but he'll control sales. We've got the lovely Lily, and gets more involved with the long-term customers, the restoration projects, etc. And then our man there is Richard Mapstone. So Rich has been with us for close to 4 years, come from a Land Rover dealership and has got a vast experience over the last 20 years. So if you would like to inquire, it will be Rich that your inquiry comes through to. So hopefully that shows you some of the variety we get up to here. Everything from 1950s right up to modern day current model cars. So if it interests you, we have got great staff, very helpful. We've got extremely nice customers that work with us, and we've actually got such a beautiful product. So if it does interest you at all and you'd like to get in contact, please do. Even if it's on a casual basis, just so that we can have a phone call and a talk about our expectations and maybe yours, please get in contact. Many thanks.
Well, thanks Richard for showing us around the workshop. Hope you all enjoyed watching that. Now it's over to me for the sales. I'm going to first of all show you around the showroom and then talk to you about some cars that you won't know are coming unless you watch the end of this video. They're ones that are in the pipeline, if you like. They're all stacked up and they'll filter in it eventually into the showroom, but if you stay with me I can tell you all about them. There's some really cool stuff coming. Well, because I like it so much and I know this is a really good car, I'm going to give this one a bit more exposure, and it is eye candy, isn't it? That is automotive art. A Porsche Speedster, that's really where, oh crikey, that's really where the purity of Porsche shone through, with a little windscreen, minimal interior, all about how it performs and the pleasure for the driver. And that's continued through all their models. So let's start looking around. I've had a few inquiries on this car here. It's an 3-litre RSR style. That it seems bad to call it a hot rod, but sort of that's what it is. But that is pure Porsche performance. 993, looks like that's in for maintenance. Why have we not found a home for this Gen 2 Carrera GTS yet? I don't know, because come on, well that looks beautiful. PDK or manual? PDK. Fantastic. Very nice 991. Now I drove that car myself. I really liked it. It just felt calm, comfortable and sophisticated on the road. Part of that is the fact that it's on the smaller wheels, so it rode better and drove nicer. I like the calmness of the interior. PDK, lovely audio, and then it's got the sliding roof, which I rather liked. And the other thing, no rear wiper. It was just neat, clean, got loads of time for that car, and it's almost like a brand new car as far as I can tell. Another Gen 2 4S in black. Now let's see very quickly, without giving the game away, I think this one might have found its home. This one, which is an RS look, but also it's got more than just the looks, it's got all sorts of good things with it going on. Read about that on the website. Very special car, original speed yellow car. I think we got a client on this one, which is a 964 RS, and that's coming out on a video soon with Nineworks, if it hasn't already been done. That 550 needs to go to someone to take to the Goodwood Revival or Circuit d'Angoulême or one of those historic events. Macan, we need more Macan. This one's been reserved. A very nice Cayenne that I've been driving. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and it seems like for nothing. Loads of spec on it. Even the pan roof, black leather. It's that would be a really hard car to replace. The special built 3-litre, which is more like a GT3 of its period. The 67S, a 993. This 993, that's been here a while, but it's been sold a long time. Now, beautiful Cayenne. And then I've got some other stuff that I want to tell you about. So you can see our showroom's getting a little bit empty. So if you've got something that is either gathering dust, you fancy a change, you might even be changing for a different make or model, or your circumstances have changed, just give us a call, have a chat about it. Whether it's for now or whether it's for later, we offer free valuations, talk to you about the market, and happily explain what your best route is towards selling with a degree of ease. Now, in the pipeline, a Shark Blue 718, and the thing is gorgeous. A 997.2, so Gen 2 Turbo S Coupe in a special colour with PDK. A one owner Cayman 2.7981 manual car, really nice. We know the car very well. A beautiful end of the series 3.2 Cabrio. I've had it for, I think I originally supplied it in the late 90s. Really good car, something we know well. Special colour, special spec, end of the line, rock solid history, definitely one to watch. And then off topic is a Yaris GR with a circuit pack and a few little mods. That's coming. Low mileage car again. And a little further in the pipe, a 964 C2 manual coupe. Those are really, really hard to find in good condition. They just seem to have no longer exist, and I think Singer had quite a bit to do with that by converting them into modern Singers. We've got another classic 2.8 Evocation. Very sophisticated build, really quite a special car from a long-term client with a collection, and a 993 C4 Coupe. So being a C4, it's going to be a manual car, and I believe it's a car that we know. If you're looking for something, if you want your dream made true, give us a call, irrespective of whether you see it on site or whether you're in the future for this, but call us, tell us what you fancy. We're going to be able to help, I'm sure. And if you need space in your garage or a change, get on the phone or the email and let us know. We'll do our best to help.